This is to show you how to add a new work order or search for existing work orders in manufacturing system. So you click on manufacturing, go to work orders. To add a new work order, you click on search for items, put in the part you want to add a work order for, hit go. There's a button that says add work order for item. In there, you can fill out the reference information, the quantity needed, and then approve it to update the bill of material. The start date and end date you can update. And you can add additional notes. The other thing is the status. You would change the status for work in process if you want to start this right away, and click the add button. So now it created a new work order 1632. We can search for that work order and start processing it.